Here's 7 things I can't travel abroad without. Okay, let's try that. Hey YouTube, do you know what? It's been a long time since I've jumped on here for a YouTube video. A few things have kind of got in the way, like I've been busy with work, and then I'll be honest with you, I just kind of fell out of love with making YouTube videos direct to camera and also finding the time. But I'm back today. I recently wrote a blog on my website, very short piece, basically just giving you an idea of 7 things that as a traveling wedding filmmaker that I can't live without. And they're not really camera gear, they're more 7 things that I always take with me to help my journey a lot easier, whether that be waking up for sunrise shoots and just having a relaxing trip. So I thought I would bring that blog post to life with a little explainer video, which I'm also going to turn into an Instagram reel as well. So here are 7 things that as a traveling wedding filmmaker, I cannot live without. Right. First up, the basics, and it's just an extension lead. This is a British extension lead, and then you can just put any old travel adapter straight on the top. I don't even know what country this is for, but it basically means you don't have to travel with loads and loads of travel adapters. This has got 3 plug sockets, so I can put 3 British plugs in there, enough to charge 2 cameras, phone charger, but it also has the 3 USB ports, USB Type A, as well as a USB Type C. The other great thing about this power adapter is that it actually has an electric toothbrush charger. So if you have an electric toothbrush, like me, then you'll be able to charge it on the go as well. And this is super cheap. This was like less than £15. I'm not a lover of coffee, but I am absolutely addicted to energy drinks and caffeine. And when I'm on the go, I don't always have access to my favorite energy drink. So I use these tablets, which I picked up from a UK discount store called Home Bargains. These are caffeine and electrolytes. And basically I roll over in my bed, wherever I've woken up in the world, and I put 2 of these in a bottle of water, and within about 10 minutes, I've got so much energy, ready for the day, gonna keep hydrated as well. And it's perfect for if you're traveling and you're ending up in a new time zone, so you're a bit tired and you've been traveling all day the day before. It's just gonna give you that little bit of energy. And these just go straight in my suitcase. These are £1. These aren't available on Amazon specifically, but I've linked an Amazon alternative in the description below. Not kidding, I can't live without these. As soon as I wake up, I take 2 of these and I will be friends with anybody. These are amazing. This tiny little thing is a 3.5mm to Bluetooth transmitter and receiver. And what I use this for is on long haul flights, I basically connect it to the in-flight entertainment system. That means I don't have to use the crappy headphones that come with the airline. I can listen to the in-flight entertainment system with my AirPods or other Bluetooth headphones. This is like less than £10 at the time, so I highly recommend getting one of these. You can use your own noise cancelling headphones on the plane and just enjoy the in-flight entertainment in comfort. I just picked this one up actually. It is the K&F Concept camera bag. It's actually quite small on the outside, but you can fit an awful lot of stuff in here, including a laptop, and I can basically fit this much stuff. So I've got my camera body, lenses, charger, drone, the laptop can go in here, passport can go in here, and all the cables and batteries that you might need. It's also got a nice pocket on the front, also got a chest strap as well. And yeah, it's actually a lot smaller than you might think, a lot smaller than my last one. And this will actually fit under the seat in front of me on the plane. So it means that I can also bring along my hand luggage. Talking of hand luggage, you might be wondering what this weird vest-like thing is that looks kind of like a giant baby grow. Let me show you what it is. Basically, every time I go through customs with this case, and this contains my Ronin 4D, I'm always quizzed on what's in it. Is it a toolbox? Am I traveling for this? Am I traveling for that? So this handy cover just slips on over the top, allows me to skip through security with no questions asked, and yeah, it just allows me to blend in. It's also really good for security as well, because if somebody is eyeing up your case, they're less likely to steal it if they think that you're just going on a day trip to New York. It's a little bit tricky to put on, just slips over like so. And now I'm just a normal tourist. Yay. Oh, it's hot in here. Now, you definitely will have seen these, but I cannot live without them, and that is the Apple AirTags, which is very well hidden within this microphone carrying pouch. Yeah, Apple AirTags. I put these in everything. I put them in my camera waist bag, my backpack, my Ronin suitcase, my main luggage suitcase, just to keep an eye on where everything is. I've even got one of these on my dog. Batteries, super simple to change once a year. Pop them in anything, attach them to your keys, do whatever with them, but definitely recommend keeping one of these in everything that is valuable to you, just in case it goes missing. Now, the final thing that I can't travel without is an eSIM for my phone. I've used a few different eSIM apps and I prefer Airo. An eSIM is a great way of avoiding high roaming charges from your network carrier. I'm with EE and they sting me every single time I go out of the country. So I simply install the Airo app, buy an eSIM for the country that I'm visiting, choose how much data I'm expected to use, and if you run out, you can always top this up afterwards as well. That gives me 2 network signal bars, and I can swap the data part of my contract from my UK SIM card to my international SIM card temporarily, so it's going to save me a fortune on roaming charges. This is also available on Android and iPhone, and honestly, it will save you from sky-high mobile phone surprise bills when you get back, and it's good for peace of mind as well. Got a bonus tip for you. This is a new find. I've been using moisturizer since I was like born because of eczema and dry skin. This cream, and I know it's for old ladies, is so cheap. It's the Astral Moisturizing Cream. It has made the texture of my face absolutely flawless, soft, evened out my skin tone. I'm not a beauty influencer, but I feel like this cream could be the one to launch me into beauty influencing. But yeah, honestly, this is like £2, fits in my travel bag, hydrating all day, and I could just say so many nice things about it. It smells great, and yeah, for men and women, Astral Cream is the way forward. Anyway, that was a super quick video from me today. I'm just gonna get back into the swing of YouTube. So yeah, thank you for your patience and thank you very much for watching along. I promise to be back this year in between weddings and bridal shoots to give you more wedding filmmaker content. I know this probably wasn't the video you were expecting for my 2024 comeback, but here we are. And yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.